Welcome to the smart city of 2050. Every journey is powered by artificial intelligence.
Homes have become smarter than ever before. Clean energy powers every corner of the city.
AI keeps the entire city connected.
Healthcare has entered a new, intelligent era.
Learning has become fully immersive. Automation keeps the city moving. The future has finally arrived. Analyze the market trends for the last quarter.
Transfer the remaining balance to the secure blockchain wallet.
Shopping has become completely effortless. Robots serve every meal with perfect precision.
Food is grown using intelligent technology.
Deliveries now take only a few minutes.
AI keeps every citizen safe. Public transport is faster than ever.
Every rooftop becomes a peaceful escape.
Innovation shapes the future every day.
This is the city of tomorrow.
Air travel is now faster and smarter. Distance no longer separates humanity. Every drop is managed intelligently. Nothing goes to waste anymore.
Entertainment has entered a new dimension.
Luxury is powered by intelligent technology. Sports evolve with artificial intelligence. Cities now build themselves. AI predicts danger before it strikes. Tomorrow's world is already here. Factories now operate with unmatched precision. Data powers every intelligent decision. Security has become smarter than ever.
Technology protects both people and nature.
If we adjust the input sequence here, the regeneration rate increases significantly.
But what about the neural feedback loop?
The future of farming is fully automated. Innovation reaches every shoreline. One intelligent network connects the entire city. The future begins right here. Travel now happens at incredible speed. The future extends beyond our planet. Every second can save a life. Nature and technology grow together.
Luxury has entered a smarter future.
Technology brings people closer together.
Every system works in perfect harmony.
Technology brings people closer together.